Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by unlocking the iPad and opening Photos so you can pick the exact picture you want. Tap Albums or Library and locate the photo. Once done, you'll decide whether to edit or use it directly. If an app needs access, make sure to open Settings, right arrow Privacy, right arrow Photos, and grant permission. This avoids interruptions later. You're initiating the transfer now, so select the image and tap the share icon to expose app target options. Now you refine the image so it fits the app's requirements. You can crop, rotate, and use markup to add or remove details. This matters because apps often enforce aspect ratios or size limits. Once comfortable, choose Share and either save to files for manual import or send directly to the app listed in the share sheet. Make sure to check resolution and file type. If the app requires PNG or 1024 x 1024, export accordingly before proceeding. Finally, open the target app and navigate to its profile or gallery settings to replace the photo. Tap Import or Change Photo, then choose from Photos or Files and confirm placement. You'll see a preview, adjust as needed, and save. If the upload fails, make sure the app has Photos permission, confirm you're online if cloud upload is required, and verify the file format and size meet the app's limits, then retry the import.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.